guys, can you come down a minute? Did any of you guys notice Mikko's face? He always loved chasing her around the globe. You see the enjoyment on his face. But do you think you guys, last thing today, want to see something quite amazing? Do you think you want to see something? So if you do, please put your hands together, make loads and loads of noise. Let's get them doing this. Ladies and